Today I'm going to show you how to fix a brake seal that won't go in and forming a bubble when you compress the piston and doing the brake job. Next thing I'm doing is compress the piston using a G-cam and use the old brake pad. I got a G-cam here. Push the piston in. Alright, push all the way in. A G-cam. Here you see the rubber seal here is ballooned out, and I've tried to push it in, it won't go in. You try to clean out some of the dust and hope you'll go in. Nope, you won't. You see that when I compress the piston, go all the way in, but then look at the rubber thing come off. So how to fix that? How to push it in? What happens is there's too much air trapped there. So you can clean the area, outside area, using a brush. Make sure it's not a wire brush, just a regular brush. Clean the area. Try to open up the bush. Because it's trapped here. Try to open it up. So we'll see. It will go back down in. So I can compress it more. Okay? That's how you fix that. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button. Thank you.